Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my brother and sister, today is September 19, 2025. It's Friday. I don't have work today. It's my day off. So, it's almost 9:10, 9:15 now a.m. Here in Dubai, UAE. So, I will show you now my updated physique. We are more leaner now since almost 2 weeks now. So I will show you now my updated physique. So we will do the front, back, and side back shot. Then we will do the semi-mandatory pose of bodybuilding. Then after I will show you my first meal. So I just woke up. We don't have anything in my stomach, so it's empty stomach. So let's go. I hope you enjoy the video. So we are more leaner now. We already reduced the carbs. So let's go. So we already have a good definition in the stomach. So let's go. We do the front side and back shot first. Side. Back. Side. Okay, now we will do the semi-mandatory pose of bodybuilding. We do a front shot, side, and back shot. So let's go. When I'm posing my body sister, I'm trying to control my breathing. So I can showcase all of my my guts and the muscle in my body. So let's go. Front double bicep. Lat spread. Side chest. Side tricep. Now we do back shot. Back double bicep. Lat spread. Abdominal and thigh. sa mas muscular. So we have a very good line now. Again, especially my stomach. We are getting leaner now because I already reduced the carbs. So that's our updated physique, my bad sister, September 19, 2025. It's Friday, my bad sister, is my day off. So I will show you now my first meal, my breakfast. So I'm trying to eat healthy food as much as I can, clean food. So I have here source of our carbs. We have oatmeal, around 80 to 120 grams of oatmeal. Then I have tuna here, so source of our protein. Then we have vegetable. It's very beneficial when we are trying to get lean. Then I have black coffee, my band sister. So that's it, my band sister. I hope you enjoyed the video. So before I go, my band sister, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you'll always be updated the when you upload video to my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my band sister. So I will see you again, my band sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Now I will eat na my first meal. So see you. Peace.